Welcome. Today we are going to unpack a technique called RAFT, which stands for Retrieval-Augmented Fine-Tuning. If you have ever wondered how to make a large language model both an expert in your domain and good at reading your documents, this is for you. Here is our plan. First we will recap RAG and fine-tuning. Then we will see why combining them helps. After that we will walk through how RAFT trains a model, look at a simple example, and finish with the tools you can use and when RAFT is the right choice. Let us start with the two ideas RAFT builds on. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, means you do not change the model at all. Instead, at question time you search your documents, grab the most relevant chunks, and paste them into the prompt. The model then answers using that fresh context. It is flexible and easy to update, but the model was never trained to use your specific documents well. Fine-tuning is the other approach. Here you take a base model and continue training it on your own examples, so its weights actually change. The knowledge gets baked in. The downside is that fine-tuning alone can make a model overconfident. It memorizes facts but may ignore the documents you give it at runtime, and it can struggle when a question pulls in documents it has never seen. So here is the gap. RAG gives the model documents but never teaches it how to use them. Fine-tuning teaches the model your domain but may make it lazy about reading context. RAFT closes that gap. The simple idea is this. We fine-tune the model specifically to read retrieved documents, pick out what matters, ignore distractions, and cite the right passages. Think of it as open book exam training for your model. Now how does RAFT actually train the model? For each training question we build a special bundle of documents. We include the golden documents, meaning the ones that truly contain the answer. Then we deliberately add distractor documents that look relevant but do not hold the answer. The model is trained on this messy, realistic mix, just like what it will see in production when retrieval is imperfect. The clever part is in the answers we train on. RAFT does not just give the model the final answer. It trains the model to write a chain of thought that quotes directly from the golden documents, then reasons step by step, and only then states the answer. By learning to point at the exact sentence that supports each claim, the model becomes far better at grounding its answers and far less likely to make things up. There is one more trick worth knowing. In a portion of the training examples, RAFT removes the golden document entirely and leaves only distractors. This forces the model to rely on the knowledge it learned during fine-tuning when the right document is missing. The result is a model that uses retrieved context when it is good, but does not completely fall apart when retrieval fails. Let us make this concrete with an example. Imagine you are building a support assistant for a software product. A user asks how to reset an expired API key. Your retriever pulls 5 documents. 2 are the real instructions, 3 are about unrelated billing and login topics. A RAFT-trained model learns to skim past the billing pages, quote the exact reset steps, and answer clearly. A plain fine-tuned model might answer from memory and get the steps slightly wrong. Now the tools. You do not need to invent this from scratch. The original RAFT recipe came from a Berkeley and Microsoft research collaboration, and it is available through Microsoft's Azure AI ecosystem and open recipes on GitHub. For the fine-tuning step you can use familiar libraries like Hugging Face transformers, parameter-efficient methods like LoRa to keep costs low, and frameworks such as Unsloth or Axolotl to run the training efficiently on a single GPU. Here is a simple mental model of the workflow in code terms. Step 1. Take your documents and generate question and answer pairs. Step 2. For each pair build a context with golden plus distractor documents. Step 3. Write a cited chain of thought answer. Step 4. Fine-tune your base model on these examples, often with LoRa. Step 5. At runtime, pair the RAFT-tuned model with your normal retriever and serve answers. So when should you reach for RAFT? It shines when you have a fixed, specialized domain, like medical, legal, or internal company knowledge, and you care a lot about accurate, grounded answers. If your knowledge changes every hour, plain RAG is simpler to keep fresh. If you have very little data, start with prompting. But when accuracy on a stable corpus matters most, RAFT often beats RAG or fine-tuning used alone. Let us recap. RAFT teaches a model to ace the open book exam. It fine-tunes on retrieved documents, mixes in distractors so the model learns to ignore noise, and trains cited reasoning so answers stay grounded. It combines the domain depth of fine-tuning with the freshness of retrieval. If you found this helpful, follow for more plain English breakdowns of generative AI, and share it with a teammate who is building a RAG system. Thanks for watching.